Most of you, not all of you, but most of you. And that's okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this even look even smoother. How do we do that? There's a lot of excess here. Don't you guys see it? We can still make it more smooth. We can make it even more fitted. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pin this along your armhole, lightly, not a lot. Because what we're gonna do now is we're gonna cut the excess away. And it's not gonna be fun because I know it's counterintuitive to cut the fabric that you're working with. So right now, I'm not gonna cut a lot. I'm just gonna cut not beyond my lines. I'm gonna cut a little bit. I'm gonna go around. Okay? There. I'm gonna cut into it again. Does anyone notice I'm not going beyond the style line?
Yeah.
Right? Perfect. Now, how much, and then I can take this is why I'm saying use these pins because they're easy to remove. Then I take my pins away and I take away that excess again. It's a lot smoother now. Correct? Perfect. Now that I know it's a lot smoother, I'm gonna tackle this bustard. I'm gonna make sure to pin the side seam and under armhole, which is right here. Look how beautiful that looks. It looks pretty. 2 inches from the underarm is gonna be my bustard. Right now this is kind of low. This is us just playing. That's fine. I don't need to measure 2 inches to 2.5. We're gonna start and we're gonna grip. Do you guys see that already? What a difference that makes? Very subtle differences. 2 inches from there to 2.5. But look what is happening here in my waist. It's lifting. That's okay because we're gonna slash into it too. So we are gonna make sure to pin it first before we slash it. Because believe it or not, there's still a lot of excess here. We can get rid of it. First, let's do the front. I am gonna slash into my waistline, not beyond where I mark, not beyond my bottom tape. If you do the top of the tape, not beyond your top of the tape. We're slashing, we're slashing. Look at that, very smooth. Same thing here. We're gonna take your princess seam and we're gonna put the same pin. Same thing we did the skirt. To make sure that section is already smooth, I don't need to go back to it. I take the excess here and I bring it over to my princess. Where's my princess seam? Yeah, to my princess seam, right here.
I have a question.
Yes.
Does the dark line follow the gradient?
Yeah.
Okay.
You'll see what it's almost the same way that we did the skirt, and you'll notice. But you see how much it's fighting here. The grain is fighting. This is how we take it out. We go and slash it into the waist. Do you notice the release now? And we take our pin and we bring it back. And we can even slash even more, I think. We can do much better than this. And we take our pin and we bring it back. But in all of this, right here,
Some ruffles.
yeah, in all of this, my grain is in the same. Do you guys notice? There's no crooked grain.
Yeah.
It's the same. Okay. So I want you guys to get here as much as possible, okay? This is where you're aiming for. Okay, thank you.